Nami Island. It's my favorite place here in Korea.
It's a half-moon-shaped isle around 63 kilometers away from Seoul and 30 minutes to 1 hour travel time. This is actually a popular filming location for the famous Korean drama Winter Sonata.
This is like your one-on-one bonding with nature. Everything's so well preserved. And whatever the season you visit, it's always beautiful here at Nami Island.
And since Petite is just 25 minutes away from Nami, we decided to visit this French-themed village, modeled after The Little Prince, written by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. It was also one of the filming locations for the popular K-drama My Love from the Star.